Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy Bitcoin right here on IG Crypto. And if you want to buy Bitcoin, first of all create yourselves an account and then go to the dashboard and then click right there on the IG trading platform and then you will see this screen. Right now, if I'm going to the search bar and search right here for Bitcoin, you will find here the options of Bitcoin that we can buy. But you can see right here immediately that the Bitcoin price that is around 80k right now is not standing right here in this list. So you will only have right here Bitcoin Cash or Bitcoin Cash to Bitcoin, a Bitcoin group. If you go and look further, you have Ethereum to Bitcoin, and you can buy a Bitcoin directly right here on IG Crypto. So now if you go right here, let's say you have also here a Bitcoin Gold, but let's say we want to click right here on, let's say Bitcoin to Ethereum. Where is it there? And then you can create yourselves a position on this chart, but it's a little bit different. But you can find Bitcoin right here in IG Crypto, only other options that you will find right here in this list. So if you want to buy crypto, do it with a different order symbol in it, like Ethereum to Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash, what you want. And this is the only way how you can buy Bitcoin. So if you want to buy Ethereum to Bitcoin, you click right here on buy, select right here how many contracts you want to buy, create a stop loss or a limit order right here. So do on risk management. And then right now click on place deal. And now we created ourselves a position right here on Ethereum to Bitcoin. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.